Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful, wonderful Sunday morning. It's almost afternoon. It's about 11:30ish. I have any phone on me to shut the time. You know, a lot of Sundays are usually considered a lazy day, but for me, I'm not gonna let that happen to me because I want to be able to enjoy this beautiful weather. There you go. You see, the water is very calm. But before we roll into the day, you all my friends, let's hop on the wave runner and crank the machine up, and let's get rolling with that. That was an awesome day for a wave runner. Let's go sit in the shade and talk a little bit more. A lot of you guys are probably wondering why I have a wave runner facing out instead of inside, because we have a wheel on the other side of the lip. Last year, we used to have a lip on the other side of the dock, but since it's a new dock, just one straight instead of a T, we have it on the other side. Now we have to flip it facing toward outside, which is supposed to be inside. It's harder to get in, but at least we'll be a more professional driver soon. Let me grab that shirt. This is one of my favorite shirts in the summer and lay in the sun. We got this for my parents for Mother and Father's Day. They never use it, so I'm the only one that uses it. There's a lot of little gnats around here. I don't know why they just really jumping on me, but I mean, they mean no harm. They do bother though. Right now, I will tell you something about why I named this title No Distraction, or how to reduce distraction. Go through a lot of distraction. There are all kinds of distraction for different type of people, different worker, kids, children, parents, whatever, for everybody in general. For us filmmaker or photographer, there are lots of distraction that we have to try to avoid to overcome the obstacle. Number one distraction for everybody in general is phone. Technology, computer, but mostly it's phone. I understand how hard it is to keep this phone away from it, but I figured out a solution to keep the phone away from me. I also have it right in my hand, but there's one thing that helped me to reduce the phone usage. I want you guys to take a closer look at the screen and read what this small message saying on here. It says screen time is limited until 4 p.m. What do I mean by that? You can see there's a most app with a little tiny timer on the bottom. They're all locked. I can't use it. That's really helped me to focus on videotaping, filming, or film editing. It's really huge for me. An iPhone user, I don't know about Android, you might have something to lock your phone up. And you can see here, phone setting, and you go to setting here, and right here on the setting, about the third white line in here, you can see screen time, and you click on that. So they will tell you 30 minutes. I've been 49 minutes below average. 49 minutes below the average, that's good. Distraction is the number one thing that keep you away from becoming successful. Before I take a quick nap, I'm going to take a quick nap and tan a little bit. Before I do that, I'll show you guys how to do this. For iPhone user, I'm sorry about Android user, you'll have to probably figure it out yourself, or you do a look it up for yourself. iPhone, you go to setting, and like I did, I showed you screen time. You see how it's tab. I don't know if you guys can see it, might be a little bit too dark, but you can see the tab here and you can see screen time, and you click on that. So you click on downtime, that's why I use it, that you can set a limit on each specific day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday through Saturday and Sunday. You can have a different amount of time you have downtime, and what app do you want to restrict or don't want to restrict. Alright, I'm gonna take a nap right now because the sun is really good. I'll see you guys later. This is my absolutely favorite day. Kind of day. The sun's out, clouds clear, 85 degree. Absolutely love it. As I was saying before, a little bit of distraction can be okay in your during the day. You have to learn how to be able to control the distraction, because most people, once they have their phone out for a little bit and they become really addicted to it and they keep going on, they can't get off of it. How do I cope with distraction and be able to control it while I'm using it? How do I cope with distraction again and be able to control it? Whatever you guys love doing outside, I would say go outside, do what you like to do. Like for me, I like going on a wave runner, wakeboarding, hanging out with friends, or if you like being alone, you can just sit out in the sun without your phone, and that's help you how to help your brain. Oh, there are something that you can do besides phone. I'm hoping the outside is going to be really, really calm still throughout maybe 6:30 to 7 o'clock, and I'll be going on the wakeboard. I just bought a brand new wakeboard, and I only use it once, and I can't wait to use it more. I absolutely love the color vibe. I'm more of a person that really like bright vibe color, and that board was absolutely perfect. I have a huge home run on a deal. The deal was they're selling for $800, and the package, the binding and the board together, got it for $240. Let's fast forward to sunset and then take the wakeboard out. Well, the only thing I'm hoping for is still calm, but it's supposed to be with fast forward. Let me do some transition. It's beautiful, really beautiful right now. My favorite moment, sun is about to set down, and it's like maybe 7:30, and the water is very warm. And the thing I'm a little bit nervous about, my sister's gonna fly the drone for the first time. She's trying to get me on active track to follow me on the wakeboard. I'm super excited, but nervous at the same time. Let's get rolling with that now. Just finished the wakeboarding, and you know, the drone footage was pretty bad. I mean, it was pretty bad. My sister tried her best. Her first time flying, at least she did not crash it, and I'm very proud of her for not crashing the drone. Overall, Matt and I, you know, there was a new rule or a new law in the state of Wisconsin. You know, like when we were wakeboarding, you noticed there was only two people, the wakeboarder and the driver. State of Wisconsin used to have a law, I don't know about anywhere else, but on us, that we are supposed to have a spotter. But right now it just changed like maybe a month ago, 1 month ago I think, or two, that if any personal watercraft, which is known as wave runner or jet ski, or the boat, have a mirror, and it's completely legal to have no spotter. You know, I'm probably gonna end this vlog tonight. It was a great day. It was a great Sunday for me, but just remember what this video was originally about. Try to reduce much distraction. You know, I do everything I love, try to keep myself train my brain that there are much better things out there to do rather than being on your phone. This thing right here is very useful to have. Always have your screen time, look at it, keep track of it, and make your goal every day, and keep beating your goal. Try to get less as much as possible, and the biggest goal is less than 1 hour per day, which is going to be really hard. I understand how hard it is, but that's the goal for it. Alright, so this is the end of a vlog tonight, and I appreciate you guys watching it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I promise you we will get the drone following the wakeboard again. I have some practice. I'll have you guys watch me cover the wave runner before it gets too dark out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.